world's most famous grid, and they are bringing that raw Formula One energy directly to the streets. This is the 2026 McLaren Artura, featuring a massive 690 horsepower hybrid bump, the jaw-dropping new open-top Spider, and the ultra-rare MSO 1000 GP edition built to honor McLaren Racing's 1000th Grand Prix entry at Monaco. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are taking an in-depth dive into Woking's sharpest, high-revving plug-in hybrid supercar and breaking down exactly how it plans to corner-carve its way past Ferrari. Visually, the 2026 Artura is a masterclass in functional aerodynamic efficiency. Built entirely on the groundbreaking McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, MCLA, it tips the scales at a class-leading dry weight of just 1,257 kilos for the Spider. Air flows seamlessly over and through the body using hidden door inlet ducts and structural rear buttresses to maximize mechanical downforce. But the absolute holy grail for collectors is the new 1000 GP Special Edition from MSO. Capped at just 10 units worldwide, it wears a jaw-dropping papaya-on-black color scheme inspired by Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri's current MCL40 F1 car, complete with custom racing pinstripes and a numbered cockpit badge. Behind the cabin sits a spectacular piece of engineering, AT-Shium 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged 120-degree V6 that raves all the way to an acoustic 8,500 RPM. For 2026, the updated calibration pumps out a combined 690 brake horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque, heavily aided by a compact, high-performance axial-flux electric motor packing 94 horsepower. With the coupe starting at $260,400 and the open-top Spider climbing to $285,000. The 2026 McLaren Artura enters the arena as a freshly crowned award winner, recently taking home Autocar's prestigious Britain's Best Driver's Car title. It combines pristine hydraulic steering feedback with cutting-edge hybrid torque-filling technology. Would you take this ultra-lightweight McLaren hybrid over a Ferrari 296 GTB? Or would you try to hunt down one of the 10 rare F1-inspired 1000 GP editions? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, subscribe to DRX Automobi, and we will see you in the next breakdown.